Are you gonna try a backflip? Wow.
The door's opening and I can't reach. Whoa.
Wow, so wide.
They can be longer than this.
How do you say horse in Italian? You say,
Cavallo.
wow. Let's go! Poo Poo Sade Land. Let's see what this is. Oh, look, all the slides there. Let's go.
Yeah, that's the piccolo one.
Yes, you can go on that one. You can go on any slide you want.
Guys, we're going on a slide right now. And I'm going on this one. Now we're doing the water slide. It's going to be so much fun. It's so much fun, guys. Guys, now we're doing a water slide. I'm going there. Okay, I'm going on this one. Okay.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's fun.
Whoa! Are you floating? How do you say to float in Italian? How do you say snake in Italian? Yeah. You still have a bubble gum?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How do you say frog in Italian? Oh my god, what is this?
An alligator.
Un alligatore.
An alligator.
Oh, you're going to put line? Whoa. Without holding anything? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. They're gonna bring you down. They're going to bring you down. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Look here, you Mario. Wow, wow.
We have no glasses. We don't have any. Super! Oh! What do you want to do? Whoa! You made it! Now you want to jump back on? Okay. Almost! Birthday machine! Hey!
Guys, now we're going on something. And we went to the emergency house and we put 2 band-aids on. And we rubbed it before a little bit. So that's clean. Yeah. It's a pretty clean. Go all the way on the other side. Look at the jet skis.
Look at this slide that you cannot do because they're not tall enough.
There you go.
So here we go. No, you're too short. for any of these slides for some reason. Oh, this is a really steep slide that goes straight in the water. Whoa! That's so cool! Isn't it? Are you sure it's open?
Yes, it's open.
Going to hook them all up.
I'm going on the yellow.
Going on the yellow. People and tell them never to get on the bumper cars, guys. We are going to wait forever and ever and ever.